Nou, het volgende verzoekje is voor een speciale vriend van ons. Boy de Graaf. Jongen, dit is speciaal voor jou. Dan breng ons terug naar de tijd dat we samen in Duitsland zaten. Goeie oude tijd volgens jou. Rainy Night in Georgia.
Over by my suitcase, try to find a warm place to spend the night. Heavy rain is falling, seems I hear your voice calling. It's alright. It's a rainy night in Georgia. Rainy night in Georgia, Lord, I believe like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. Neon signs are flashing, taxi cabs and buses through the night. The distant moaning of a train seems to play a sad refrain through the night. But it's rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Lord, I believe like it's raining all over the world. I feel like it's raining all over the world. How many times I wonder, it still come out the same. No matter how you look at it or think it of it, it's like just out to play the game. Place in the boxcar, so take my guitar and pass some time. Late at night when it's hard to rest, I hold your picture to my chest and I feel fine, so fine. Rainy night in Georgia, rainy night in Georgia, Lord, I believe like it's raining all over the world. Yes, it's raining all over the world. Rainy night in Georgia, such a rainy night in Georgia. Rainy night in Georgia.